This video will show you how to route charges to a new folio in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you transfer charges to a new folio and generate separate invoice if needed. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to route charges to a new folio. Click Payments from the context menu that shows up. Select the charge in the account statement that needs to be routed to new folio. Click Route to New Folio button. The Create New Folio panel opens up. Select the guest in whose name the charge needs to be routed to a new folio. Click Create. A new folio is created with the routed charges and reflects in the folio list. Alternately, you may route charges to a new folio by clicking the folio. Select the charge that needs to be transferred. Click Route to New Folio. The Create New Folio panel opens. Select the guest in whose name the charge needs to be routed to a new folio. Note: you may also edit the amount and partially route the charges. Click Create. The folio gets updated. Note that account statement gets updated and the new folio reflects in the folio list. This brings us to the end of the video on how to route charges to a new folio in a reservation.